So I have people that follow me on social media, and one of the questions that I always get is, what kind of business should I start? And that's a little difficult question to answer because I won't know what kind of business you should start. Only you would know that. But I get what you're saying. You want to start a business, but you're not sure what kind of business to get into, where to look for, opportunities for a business. And so I've got some, things that I want to talk about in terms of what you should do if you want to start a business. What kind of business should you be starting? And one of the things I tend to always tell people is to start a business that you're passionate about. So think about some of the things that you enjoy doing that you would do if no one even paid you to do it. Think about it. Think about, a hobby that you have. Something that you have a passion about. And don't tell me that you don't have a passion about anything, because everyone has something that they, either love doing, that they can't do to make a living, but they just enjoy doing it because either they relax when they do it or they get to help other people to do. So when you're thinking about, starting a business, one of the things that you should think about is being passionate about it. Because when you have passion for something that you enjoy doing, for one, you're less likely to quit. And that's the thing that hinders a lot of people is, they go into this whole thing of starting a business with tunnel vision. I want to make a lot of money, I want to stay home with my family. I just want to, benefit from, time freedom, financial freedom, and things like that. And they're not really thinking about the hard work that it takes to get to that point. So when you are passionate about something, when it's something that you enjoy doing, even when you're not making money, then you'll be able to weather through the storms of the beginning part of your business when you're probably not making any money anyway. So think about, something that you enjoy doing, because if you enjoy doing it, then it won't feel like work to you. Because I understand, when you go to work and you have a job and you go to work with this mindset of, I have to do this job to get paid money. So you may not always enjoy your job, but when it comes to starting a business, one of the things that you want to do is you want to truly make sure you enjoy it. Don't get into it because of the benefits of, just make a ton of money or just, time freedom or whatever it is that, you may have heard the great things about having your own business. You can, create your own vacation time and you can have this laptop lifestyle and all that type of stuff. It's great to have, but if you're not serious enough with your business to weather through, the times when it's not fun, building a business, then you're going to quit. You're going to be a part of the people that, quit the business within the first year or two. So one of the things I'm glad that, I enjoy about my business is that I enjoy helping people. So even though I have to create, a ton of content on YouTube, I have to create content for my blog, there's some things on the back end I'm constantly doing with my business. One of the things that, I enjoy doing is helping people. So I'm going to help people whether I make money or not. So in the beginning portions of your business, if you're not making money or if you're not even seeing results, you may just be doing it out of fun. You might just be doing it because you just enjoy doing it. It's just something fun to do. So it's possible that you could do it for 3, 4, 5 years before you ever see or reap the benefits from it. So that's one of the things that you should look for. When you want to start a business, what kind of business should you be looking for? You should be looking for something that you already enjoy doing, something that you like doing. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you like, teaching or tutoring people. Think about even a hobby that you have. Start at that point and then work your way into, what kind of business that you want, whether it's just going to be a home-based business or an online business. But I think you should look at a business that, is one that you can enjoy, truly enjoy it. You won't get sick of it. You won't want to quit it. You won't be looking for a different business, to start 2 or 3 years from now. So that's the kind of business you should start. You should start a business that you have passion about and that you just truly enjoy doing. All right, guys. So to get more tips like this, make sure that you like my video and then go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos that I drop here every single week. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.